Motor Club of America training. I wanted to go over the MCA training material because I always show you guys the products and services. But what I want you guys to know is that the company not only has great products and services, but also has great training. All right, so there's different areas, but this is when you first get started. It gives you all the paperwork and documentation that you need. As you can see, you have to fill out all your proper banking and routing information and authorize MCA to make direct deposits into your account. All right, so we're just going to scroll. All right, and it tells you like you need to set goals. What are your business goals? And to accomplish your goal, like I always tell you guys about goals. Y'all know that I feel like goals are very important, but not just to have, but to actually be working on your goals and pursuing them. So it tells you set up your goals, and then in order to accomplish your goal, you will need what? How many sales applications will you need that week? How many will you need that month to accomplish your goals? So that way you can have a visual as to how hard you need to be working, right? All right. And then answer these questions. Answer them for yourself. Am I interested in building a downline through recruiting? Yes or no? Do I have friends and family I want to share this opportunity with? I feel like your friends and family should always be the first people that you share opportunity with, because I feel like when you become successful, you don't want any of them to be able to say that you didn't give them the opportunity, you didn't provide them the opportunity. You always want to make sure that you're trying to bring your family and your loved ones with you. I'll say on the other hand, unfortunately, those are the ones who usually are the last to support you and the last to join you, depending on what type of family and so-called friends you have. But I think it's for whatever reason, it's just people I don't know what it is. It's easier for them to support a complete stranger, somebody that they see on TV. You know what I'm saying? That they build this relationship in their mind with through the TV screen, but they can have a real life relationship with you and won't support you. They won't go out and buy your sneaker if you make a sneaker, but if a basketball player makes a sneaker, well, they want to go out and spend all the money they can possibly scrape up to buy it. So it's that kind of mentality, So you have to support your own people. That's my opinion. That's how I look at life. So part of supporting your own people is making sure when you come across a great opportunity that's working for you, share it with them, even if they don't receive it. You know what I'm saying? Then that's a weight off your shoulder. You know what I'm saying? You've shared the opportunity, and that's all you can do. So let's go down. This tells you what the breakdown is of goals and how much you can earn based off of the goals you meet. So here's your dream sheet. They want you to have dreams. They want you to set up goals. They want you to, list what is it, where you want to go, right? Where do you want to go? What kind of automobile do you want? What kind of house? How much money do you want? How do you want your career to grow? Children, family, friendship, health, religion, mind. They cover it all. Your personal evaluation sheet. This company helps build your character, helps make you just confront things that you probably wouldn't on your own. It helps you to actually set in motion things that you've been wanting to do, but things that you should have been doing but haven't been doing. So this company is more than a business where you make money, but you actually grow. You grow as an individual, just being a part of the company and the things and resources and tools and relationships that the company presents. All right, so you want to go through and you want to literally fill all of this stuff out. Evaluate each area from 1 to 5. 5 being excellent. Physical appearance, medical checkups, because all this stuff is important. And then, by the way, you got to think about the medical checkups. You get discounts for that through MCA. forgiving attitude, good role model, time together, supportive of others. These are all things people want in life. So they come and they work for MCA so that they can have these things, excuse me, so they can have these things working in their lives. So a forgiving attitude, a good role model, time together. You get to spend more time with your family, supportive of others. These are all team player mentalities and team skills that you learn from working, because we work together closely. The people on my team, we work together, we communicate, we support each other. So that also goes along with social. We laugh together, we listen to training, we're confident. You understand what I'm saying? We care about each other's progress. So you have a sense of job satisfaction. You know that you're receiving the proper training to do your job effectively, to become successful, to be successful, to remain successful. You understand your job and the purpose. All right, so it even goes into giving you steps of goal setting. You have to identify the goal, set a deadline, list the obstacles that you're going to have to overcome to achieve those goals. So just think about how this company is not just a company about they want you to work for them, and they want you to make money for them, I should say, because you're working for yourself. You're just getting referrals for everybody that you refer to the company, but they are concerned about you, genuinely are concerned about you and your growth and how you are as an individual. I don't know many companies who push you to be a better individual, all around the board. Most companies say, you can act how you want to act outside of here, but while you on this clock, this is how you better act. You know what I'm saying? And they don't care anything about building your character, building who you are, building your business, any of those things. So this tells you how to refer other associates. It gives you instructions where you can review your sales, team sales, all of this stuff. All right. So as you can see, we're in class 2. It goes through different classes. It teaches you about pay incentives, bonuses, titles, codes. And as you can see here, I often refer to us, as associates or executive director or whatever. But the bottom line is, even as an associate, you are an independent contractor, okay? And you qualify for commissions. All right? Everybody who works for this company qualifies for commission. So this just describes a little bit more about each role, where you're at in the company, how much you earn based off of it. All right, so I can keep going, but this is just a breakdown. I really just wanted to show you how the company cares enough to invest time in you, invest time into your training, invest time into building you, to be a better individual holistically. They're concerned about your health. They want you to have good health. They want you to have a good mind, good mindset, good social life, good amount of time with your family and friends. They care about you all across the board. So I normally talk about their products and services that they give to their customers, but tonight I just wanted to show you, what they give to their associates, the training that they give, and how it over exceeds, just your basic training, because it's not just training on how to sell their product. It's training on how to be a better you, how to be a better individual as a whole. And like I said, I don't know too many companies who are taking the time out to invest in you as an individual. So I just wanted to share that with you guys tonight. Just something short. All right. Well, you guys have a great evening. Tiana and Iree here. If you found this information useful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the link in the description if you want to join my team. All right, I'm out.